Today, I recorded a tutorial on the special effects of memory bubbles. First, open VideoAE and enter Make Video to enter the editing page. Here I first set the resolution size I want to make. If I don't set the first imported material, it will be the video size. Then import the video we want to edit from resource and adjust the size of the material according to the needs. In the preview, you can see that the video I imported is a walk on the beach, and there are many blank spaces around it that are very suitable for adding some memories. Swipe or set the time hand to the time point you want to add. You can set it freely here, then add the memory material from resource. Move the material to a suitable position. If the material is too long, move the time needle to a certain position and click the partition button in the tools in the lower left corner to divide the video. Then select the unnecessary layers and delete them. So how do you handle picture-in-picture material? Slide the toolbar below to find the mask button. Click to add the default mask. Here I think the circle is the best use. You can choose by yourself. Move the mask to the center of the character and zoom to adjust the size if manual operation is inconvenient. You can click the button in Adjust to make precise adjustments. After setting, you can see that the edge is very stiff, and then find the Properties button to set feather. Set a slightly larger value. You can adjust it according to the effect display and then appropriately reduce the size of the mask. Such a memory bubble is ready. If you want more bubbles, you can repeat this operation. I won't repeat the production here. Let's see the effect.